Yo, you guys, what is going on? It's Blazendary here. We're back with a Take My Money Tuesday. Yes, I know it has been a minute since I've touched that series, but I've started to upload a ton more frequently. I've got the editing down pat, and I said I need some time off. Took a little bit of time off. We are hitting the ground running with all of these packages you guys see right here. So this is a $4,000 mystery box. That's how much I paid for it. This is coming from a personal friend of mine. His name is Max Miller. You guys might know him. I'll leave a link down below in the description. You can check out his channel. Basically, he's a super OG Supreme collector. Talk a lot about Supreme and streetwear, and he was like, yo, I'll put together a box for you, because I haven't done a mystery box in quite a minute. So this is included with the box. It just couldn't fit with this package. I have not peeked. I've literally kept it sealed. It's been sitting in my studio for like a couple days now. Finally eager to get it open, as it is Tuesday for Take My Money Tuesday. So leave a like down below, and before we get started opening up the box, which I'm gonna, oh my god, it's 51 pounds. I'm gonna go ahead and get into some giveaway stuff real quick. In my last two videos, I basically told you guys, yo, you have the chance to win these right here, Undefeated Air Forces. You have the chance to win a $200 vintage Bape beanie from one of my good friends, Eric. Supreme poncho, Baby Milo pencil. Literally, you guys can win all this stuff right here. Just basically leave a comment on one of the 3 videos and make sure you're subscribed. So that's really all I gotta say. You can win these freebies. I basically was saying I want to give people a jump start so you guys can sell these items when you get them. Whatever it is, like quarantine, use this time to get productive. Gonna ship out like 7 things to 7 winners across the 3 videos. I'll pick some comments. I would qualify this as a good start back to Take My Money Tuesday. The videos might be shorter, they might be longer. I don't really know exactly. Oh, yes! I don't know exactly what I have in plan for Take My Money Tuesday, other than just trying to be consistent with it. First item that I gave a good reaction, yes, I actually overslept. I really overslept. Sometimes, y'all, it's just 11 a.m. is a little early. And especially nowadays, like, you don't really know what you're doing most of the time because there's not as much things to do. I was just oversleeping. Definitely not a sleeper. If you guys got this, I mean, you're in for some huge money if you save it brand new down the line. Only team on there we're gonna go ahead and regard. Comment one of your favorite teams that you see on the jacket. And I'm gonna hold on to this, the orange over the black and the navy. There was also 2 other colorways that this jacket came in. So you tell me which one's your favorite. I'll also give some credit to the Mets, so shout out to the New York Mets. It's like so interesting, the patches that Supreme makes for their box logos. This one is definitely not a traditional box logo. They made one just for this jacket, so I'm gonna get this opened up on the ground, and I'm gonna pull the items out one by one. Oh, yo, this is my first time cracking this open. Oh man, it's actually more than just Supreme. I didn't think it actually would be. Okay, all right. That's the sneak peek, all right? I'm just gonna put it back on the ground now. I'm gonna put it back on the ground. All right, yo, so the first thing on top, which I actually was pretty surprised with. I was not expecting something other than Supreme in this package. Guys, we have right here an Astroworld. I think this is unreleased, but there's actually a lot of them out, so they just might have been a very popular sample or something. I'm gonna do my research during the editing on when this ball came out, if it ever did. I'm not sure if it did or not. Now it's got the Nike Air, the Cactus Jack, and the Jumpman print with that little Astroworld color gradient. Dope hoodie right here from my bro Max's brand, Icy Rabbit. As you guys can see, the little graphic on there. All right, this is the Supreme Glider Tee. This is a Supreme SS20, so spring, summer. This is a newer one. I'm gonna leave this shirt brand new, and I'm gonna go ahead and sell it. Wow, this box is filled up, yo. I was not expecting that. This right here is a crazy one. I've actually unboxed the Camacho crew neck before, but this one right here is wearing a Supreme Star Nike beanie, and he's going skiing. It says Supreme on it. These are really old and hard to come by. This one is a large. The Camacho is just a very popular figure that Supreme has done on a lot of different things. There's even figurines out of this little guy. All right, the next piece right here, let's see. Right here, we have a 2017 Chief Harrington orange zip-up jacket. I'm actually really surprised to have gotten this in a mystery box because it's one of those really low-key Supreme pieces that came out. So it's just got this really nice, I think it's a chenille patch. So it's kind of like a carpet if you guys are putting that in your minds. What really got me was the fact that it still has the tag on it. It's a size medium, and I just might end up selling it. It's got that really overused Supreme Gothic font in that front patch right there. Holy crap, we got some box logos. This one is an XL, so I'm definitely gonna be letting go of this one. This right here is just a red on gray. It's a very, very common Supreme box logo. The year, maybe in the mid 2000s. I couldn't place exactly when the year is gonna be. Iconic logo. And the thing about box logos, depending on the year, the condition, you could sell it for a range of prices. So this is a gray XL. I'll figure out a good price for it and just end up selling it. All right, so this was just chilling at the top. This right here was actually, yeah, I don't have it. I have the Travis Scott one up there. If you guys have not seen the mail time where I got that helmet, definitely go check it out if you like me opening packages. This right here is another helmet. Please be the colorway that I'm hoping for. Oh, it definitely is. Yes! The Supreme Fox helmet. I actually have the entire suit for this collab. It was a major collab. I even made a scene of me riding a dirt bike in the Supreme Vanson leathers. I'm gonna put it to use when I wear my entire Supreme Fox motocross outfit, and me and the homie Markel, we're gonna make a video going on the dirt bikes, and I'm gonna use a full Supreme outfit. And now I have the helmet, but I'm just glad to have gotten it because it's not something I'm gonna go out of my way to purchase. Just getting it included in the value. Oh yeah, this is sick. I'm definitely gonna use this, and it fits perfect too. The large, I got a big head, I guess. I was really hoping for the red. So glad I got it. And there's still so much more to go. This box is literally endless. Random little shirt thrown in. We have a Supreme front pocket shirt, so a frocket, as some of you guys maybe know it as. It's got a little Playboy bunny and 2 hearts on it, and I'm just gonna let go of it, sell it, and move on with another item. Okay, the Stone Island. We have a medium Stone Island poly cover composite. That's literally the name. I just read it off the tag. I don't know if it flopped like some of the other ones, but I do know one thing. I would have never found this item if it wasn't for it being in this mystery box. It's actually got a front zipper as well. Zipper going down, and you guys already know the man Max, he's got it brand new with the tag. That's why these mystery boxes are so worth it, is because if I really don't like the item, I can go around, sell it, and just make money really easily. Yo, that's crazy. So an old school Supreme accessory, one of which I have already, I got years ago, but I'm glad I could just talk about it again. The Supreme Hourglass, just 1 minute on it, but it's just one of those accessories. You buy it, you hold on to it, and it just goes up a lot over time, which is something that's really common with these random little one-off accessories. I have my Hourglass, where is it? So I think mine is definitely in better condition than Max's. I was gonna see which one was in better condition. I'm gonna go ahead and sell the one that I got in the mystery box. You guys see old school accessories, yo? Try and get them for the low. All right, we have another Supreme hoodie right here. This one is the My Bloody Valentine hoodie. This one also came out spring summer 2020. So this is a brand new piece as well. We've seen this release. It's got the tags on it and everything. I'm gonna give it a good lint roll and sell it. Just because if it's brand new and it's like this year's Supreme and I don't have it, it's probably because I just didn't want it all that much. Just maybe. I might sell it as worn once and wear it with the Strangelove, just cause, I don't know, that would be cool, wearing the Strangelove SBs. Might keep it. I might have just had to change my mind real quick. I'm actually low-key hype right now because I didn't get this jacket when it came out. Now I have it in my possession and, oh my gosh, it's an XL. My boy Max, he was just like, yeah, I'm just gonna buy it and hold on to it and then sell it. Congratulations, Max. You have successfully sold me an XL FU jacket, and now I'm gonna sell it also. If it was my size, yo, man, I was literally pointing up to the words, I'm gonna keep it. You guys see the back pattern. I literally can't believe this is how I complete my missing towel collection of the Yankees. I have, in fact, without a doubt, every single Yankees Supreme piece. The Supreme Yankees hand towel. Or I just might use it in my bathroom actually and just use towels the way they should be used after you just give it a good wash. Alright, yo, we just got right here another Supreme jacket. This one is, I think, I don't even recognize it. This is the 2018 Fall Winter Bone Varsity jacket. Look at the bones on it. You guys see it. Bones on the pocket. Supreme Arc logo in the front. The back right here has this crazy detail. It feels like it's like texture painted It honestly is super great quality. The print is a dog face. You can't really see it up close, but luckily I can just see it in my camera. And check this out, I'm actually really blessed I got this because I did not get the new fanny pack when it came out. It sold out when I woke up, obviously. So this is just a new multicolored fabric pouch. I like collecting all the new pouches, whether I'm going to sell it or keep it. It's just something I like to have. Sort of reminiscent of like a 1980s Coogee sweater, if you guys know what I'm talking about. And now we have 3 brand new white tagless tanks in a large Supreme edition. Right here we have a Supreme Classic logo neck gaiter. I actually have one of these in black, so this is just one I'm probably going to go ahead and sell. We got some more stuff from my friend Max's brand, and I gotta say, he's really taking up the quality on this stuff. This is a deck of cards right here, and I used to do magic and stuff. Yo, I'm gonna do a magic trick for the vlogs. I promise you guys, I'm gonna do one. Well, I'm definitely not a fan of the Raiders, but if this is a DS piece, I'm gonna be in love. Yes! Okay, well, we're in the market. So, I'm gonna go ahead and sell this piece right here. Another zip-up jacket. Just the dude Max has so many DS items. Gonna hit the sell button on this one. I'm just not a Raiders fan. You guys see the jacket. It just says Raiders all over it with a patch. We have some more stuff from the new season. So this first one, another My Bloody Valentine. This one I'm definitely gonna sell. This right here is just another old one. I feel like I don't know the name off the top of my head. It's just not one of the shirts you see very often. I don't think I've ever seen this shirt in person, to be quite honest with you, only in pictures. Guys, we are coming up on the final couple items here. This one is a Supreme hoodie, crossed up arms. What do we got? We just have the Supreme embroidered logo. It looks like it's kind of moving with the way the stitching is. One of the final items. This actually has some great resale value. I know it already. Let's see if it has the tag on it. It does not have the tag on it. That is okay though. Anything with a Supreme box logo on it, whether it's big, small, it usually will always do well. And that is the story with this piece right here. And the final item, which I happen to have one of these water bottles. It's gonna be an easy, quick sell. This is maybe the 2016 Thermos. Let's see, is it DS? Definitely is DS, you can tell by the smell. What did you think of the mystery box? Absolutely insane. I mean, literally just piles and piles of heat. Do me a favor, if you enjoyed it, leave a like, and guys, comment down below if you want to win any one of these items. And just for this video, because you're watching right now, like you're one of the OGs, I gotta do something for you. I'm gonna go ahead and add these Supreme flag post-it notes into the giveaway rotation for this video exclusively. Just maybe give you guys a little something, why not? Thank you for watching, have a great night, day. Whenever you're watching, it's Blazionary, I'm out. Stay positive, leave a like if you want to see more mystery boxes, and peace out.